In this video, I'll share how to segment different audiences in Mailchimp. Once you were on your Mailchimp account, in order for you to create a segment, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, below Audience, click on the second option, which is Segments, and that will take you to the Segment section. From here, to create a segment, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on Create a Segment, and that will take you to the segment builder. Now, what we need to do is create a splitting condition. Now, segmentation just means that splitting your audience based on conditions, and one of the most common segment ideas is by using tags. Now, let's say we want to separate our audiences by tags. So in here, you'll just simply select or search a filter, and the first option is tags. Now, once you do that, on the right hand side, this is where you need to add your conditions. And here we can choose if contact is tagged. And on the right hand side, we will simply choose a tag. Let's say in 2026, and then it will automatically be done. What we can also do is contact is not tagged for the 2026 tag. At the bottom, we can add another condition. Let's say for tags again, and let's say contact is not tagged, let's say on bounced, and that is also a segmentation. Let's say on the tags, we will choose the contacts that are not tagged by the 2026 tag. What you can also do is separate them using a sign up source. So in here, if we scroll down, you will automatically see the other activity. Let's say sign up activity. At the bottom, if we simply scroll down, there are also a lot of options in order for you to segment your audience. But in here, we will choose a sign up source. On the right hand side, let's say was, and this was either from an embed form. So let's say that the audience was added using an embed form. Now, once you have your segment, at the top and the right corner, we can click on use segment. And once you do that, we will just simply name this as embed sign up source. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on save and exit, and it will automatically add all of your audience that are from the embed signup source. Now you can use these segments whenever you send your campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.